If you have been on the lookout for a no-nonsense, well-built, minimalist and a stylish timepiece, you are in for a treat. Let's dive into this stunning watch and see what it has to offer. This German watch brand Sinn, and it has a reputation for robust, precision-crafted timepieces that really shines through this particular watch. Let's talk about it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are talking about a true gem of minimalist watchmaking, the Sinn 556 IB. While the special characteristics of this watch is case made of stainless steel which is satinized, the blue electroplated dial with sunburst decoration, the appliques attached by hand, the sapphire crystal glass, the transparent case back made of sapphire crystal glass again, and a tremendous water resistance of 20 bar, and it is as well as a low pressure resistant, stating that it is also a pilot's watch. So what are my first impressions when I have opened this watch box? The watch exudes quality from the moment you hold it. The 38.5 mm stainless satinized steel case is a perfectly proportioned, not too big, not too small, giving it a versatile look that works whether you are in suit or casual jeans. It's not heavy, but it feels solid in the hand. The Sinn's reputation for robust, precision-crafted timepiece really shines through here. A sleek, well-crafted timepiece that embodies Sinn's reputation for precision and durability. Yes, I am talking about part of the German brand Sinn's popular 556 series, the model that features a clean, minimalist design with a robust stainless steel case and a 38.5 mm diameter that suits both casual and formal occasion. The blue dial is enhanced with luminous hour markers and hands for optimal legibility, even in low light. With its high quality craftsmanship, water resistance, and understated elegance, this watch is a great option for those who appreciate both functionality, durability, and style. Now let's talk about wearable comfort. The Sinn 556 IB comes on a high quality, comfortable leather strap that fits snugly around the wrist. Its soft and supple texture makes it a really comfortable watch to wear all round for the day. The caseback of Sinn 556 IB is a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and functionality. Crafted from stainless steel and a sapphire window, it features a solid, screw-down design that enhances the watch's durability and water resistance. While the rotor is embossed with Sinn logo, the rim of the caseback specifies all the mechanical as well as testing criteria that makes this watch a robust timepiece. The inside of the watch is as durable and robust as the outside. The watch is powered by a very reliable Sellita SW200-1 self-winding automatic mechanism with 26 bearing jewels and the vibration of 28,800 semi-oscillations per hour. It has second stop hacking function, and the movement has been made anti-magnetic as per DIN 8309 German standards. If we see the specifics of the case, as I said, the case is made of satinized stainless steel with the sapphire glass in front and anti-reflective coating on both sides. The transparent caseback made of sapphire crystal glass and has anti-reflective coating on the interior. The 556 IB is a striking pilot's watch or a tool's watch that combines rugged functionality with elegant design. Its clean, industrial aesthetic features a glossy blue dial and sharp geometry, making it versatile for both casual and formal occasions. With superb craftsmanship and excellent readability, this watch is a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking a reliable timepiece that embodies German engineering. So, who is in for the Sinn? Well, if you are someone who appreciates understated design and wants to wear a watch that delivers both style and performance, this is definitely worth considering. It's not flashy, but that's the beauty of it. The refinement, the minimalism, the durability, and it does what it is supposed to do, without all the fuss. If you like what you have seen today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews like this. What do you think about the Sinn 556 IB? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay stylish, stay punctual.